Request help. I wish you would come to me, but you kept running away. Made me wonder how long she's been living here in such difficult circumstances. I went home. I think about her all the time. I went back to the place. Suddenly there was. I was trying to gain her trust. We sat with her and had a great time.
All right, buddy, it's time to go.
I reached a stage where I could not do anything on my own. I wanted people with rescue experience. We got very close to it, and the attempt failed. The dog is fast because it is small.
You got him. You got him.
It was a great relief for me. I'm not chasing him anymore. I'm not running anymore. We just all kept telling her, your life is about to get so good. We went home together. She was happy with us too. We did it all on her terms, and I felt like that was really important. We went out for the first time. The dog runs away from people, and now she is hugging me. A week after her rescue, put in an application to adopt her. She found great comfort in her home. It's so amazing to see this transformation in her life. Loves to travel. We left our big dog with our friend and brought sister on. She slept after a very enjoyable trip. She started to feel safe with a big dog with her. She has 2 people who really love her.